based on the standard result in protection. Improve health and comfort. High-quality antibacterial board is required. Antibacterial, mildew-proof, no added formaldehyde.
Triple advanced protection, high-end healthy life. 99.9% antibacterial rate.
The antibacterial coating uses a silver ion antibacterial agent, protects low immunity groups.
Let children roam freely and grow healthily. No formaldehyde added, passes the world's highest environmental protection mark and the new national standard ENF. Isolate formaldehyde damage from the source. Make environmental protection a standard for healthy living.
Natural, high-quality base material. Zero-grade mildew-proof. Let health start from home maintenance.
The high-purity antibacterial board uses a moisture-proof, waterproof base material. Mold growth is inhibited starting from its breeding environment. Committed to keeping the family healthy and comfortable. Professional testing, triple protection. Witness the high configuration, healthy quality. Quality craftsmanship makes for health.
Wear-resistant and highly environmentally friendly edge banding. The next generation antibacterial and mildew-proof board. Invest in the ultimate choice for the ultimate peace of mind.